Welcome, welcome, boys. In this video, we're going to be looking at the new snow tires I have for my Crown Vic. A while back, you recall I painted a set of rims, 4 of them. It would be these right here. And we have now mounted on them some snow/winter tires. These are unidirectional, of course. Sidewall will say outside. If you go to the other side, it'll say inside. These are winter Icept Evo 2 Hancooks. So they're the same size as the ones that are on the car. They just have a beastlier tread designed for winter driving. Lots of little sipes in there to evacuate any water or slush. Some pretty deep grooves. Throw out any rain or slush. These do not have any sort of provision for attaching any studs, but I don't think we'll need them. And this is the final result of my painting them. So they just got mounted and balanced today, and I only see weights on 2 of the tires. Well, there's one on the back side. Okay, so never mind. There's some on the back. I don't know why the hell on some they have a weight mounted on the front, not the other side. That's kind of weird to me. But who the hell am I? I'm just some guy, not a tire guy. But I guess if you wanted to get a look on the back side of them. There she blows. You just see down there it says inside. I like to find one that's not all dirty with my gravel here. Yeah, right around there, but you can see. So that way you can't mess them up when you mount them. I didn't pick the inside of the rims, but nobody really sees the inside of that. I'm not putting these on now. I just thought you guys might like to see that they are done. They will be ready to mount on once we get some harsh winter weather. We'll go ahead and pull these all seasons off. And then just here's a look at what they look like. These are new. I had these mounted right when I bought the car. But they are all seasons. And they're not too bad. They've done me all right. But as you can see, there's definitely a difference in design here. And I figure while we're here, we'll do one more thing. It's kind of end this video. My boy Chuck watched my video and said that, hey man, did you know the Crown Vic mirrors fold the other way too? I said, you're lying. Bullshit. They don't really, do they? I can't think of a practical purpose that these mirrors would want to fold the opposite direction. We already did a video where they go like this. But do they fold the other way? Like, why would you want to fold them the other way? What purpose would that serve? Man, I don't know about that. I think he might be lying. I can see that breaking. But why would he lie? Would he lie? Would Chuck lie to me like that? Man, I need 2 hands for this. Okay, so check it out. With 2 hands, I managed to... He wasn't lying. They actually do fold the other way. Why? Why would you want to fold them this way? Huh. I wonder if the town cars fold. Let's find out. Okay, boys. Here we are. Nice. I'm actually just really amazed by this. Like, it's, yeah, all right, I can already hear what some of you are saying. Okay, dumbass. Oh, don't you know all car mirrors fold? Why would you be so impressed with this or not think they don't? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, listen, Holmes. Now, I don't have the Corvette and the Camaro here to show you, but those mirrors do not fold. And I've been driving Corvettes since I was 18. So only recently have I ever decided driving cars that aren't that. So I've never owned a car with folding mirrors before until I got that guy. This is the first one I've ever seen that the mirror's folded and has a luxury car. So why the hell would I assume that thing way the hell over there can fold the mirrors, and this thing can fold the mirrors? I mean, I guess when you look at it, you can see it, but, you know, it's not one of those things I really look at. So how the hell would I know? But alright, so that's it, boys. Okay, and then so to finish the video, I'll go ahead and load these into the basement. You don't need to see any of that, but look forward to a video in the future then, where I'll show you how she does in the winter if we get some snow this winter, because we're not going to drive the BMW and get it all smashed up again by some uninsured fella. We're going to be driving this dude, because this thing can A, take a hit, and B, we'll have some beastly snow tires. So I'll give you some nice bean footage of that if we get a nice beastly winter. So stay tuned for more, boys. You enjoy the rest of your evening. Thanks for watching. Peace.